Ed Sheeran. Ed Sheeran is coming. So you have a assessment.
Yeah, because I don't need any.
Yeah. Me neither. You see, I'm the only one sitting.
Okay. No problem. I'll meet you. I just see if it's work. I might get just a moment. Yeah.
Ed Sheeran is coming. Ja sam v prvi vrsti. Tako. Ed Sheeran iz tretje vrste. Tako entuzijastičen sem za Ed Sheerana. Pusti nas čakat. Zelo vljudno. Mogoče boste ujeli tu med puncama, evo, tule med črno in sivo punco. Boste mogoče videli Ed Sheerana. Ok, ne boste ga videli. Ker se je tukaj postavil varnost. Ampak jaz se ne bom premaknil, tako da pač žal ne boste videli Ed Sheerana, boste pa videli reakcijo na Ed Sheerana v živo. Vsi se bo vsedli, pa vam ga bom pokazal v obljubi.
And thank you. Could you please sit down so we can start the press conference? Schön, wenn Sie bitte setzen, damit wir mit der Pressekonferenz beginnen können. Please, during the press conference, don't use the flash. Dankeschön. Take care. At the end. No broken eggs in this press conference, please. Thank you. Good. Started it. So many hands raised. That's very good.
Evo ga.
So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this press conference. Dankeschön. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this press conference screening in Berlinale Special, the 68th International Film Festival. We have a welcome for the songwriter. And please have a welcome for the producer, Kemi Kim.